Let's make a magic circle. I'll refer to this end of the yarn as the tail end and this end of the yarn as the working end because it's attached to the yarn. Since I'm right-handed, I take my left hand, my 2 fingers and thumb, grab that tail end and wrap the working end around so there's an X on this side of my hand. Hold here and flip. Now I'm going under the yarn closest to my fingertips and I'm going to bring the yarn closest to my knuckles under it. Turn my hook. I'm going to hook that same yarn and we're going to pull it through that loop. Wiggle, wiggle. Hold here. Take your fingers out. Now I can switch again. Now yarn over and pull through this loop on the hook. Now we can untangle the tail. When you pull the tail, the circle will cinch closed. A lot of amigurumi patterns start with 6 single crochet stitches, so I'll do that just to show you how it cinches. And that is a magic circle. I would then attach these ends.